Hey everyone, it's Walking from Honor, and today I'm here to introduce you to our new, sexy Honor 10. So with the Honor 10, the tagline is Beauty in AI, and as you can see, it is an absolutely gorgeous device. So I just want to quickly take you around the Honor 10 first. So what you notice from the front is that we've got this amazing full view display. This time around it's 19:9 in aspect ratio in a resolution of Full HD+. But what you also find on the front is a 24 megapixel front-facing camera, along with the earphone piece, and just under here in the glass there is actually where we've got the light sensor. On the bottom of the display, we've actually got an under the glass fingerprint sensor, which is a first from us, which uses a very different technology that you might be used to. So with this, there is actually a single piece of glass that goes all the way from top to bottom. And the fingerprint sensor is beneath the glass itself, which uses ultrasonic reading of your fingerprint. So it's as easy as that. So just going around the device, it's got a beautiful metal frame in blue. And this is where the SIM tray is, which again for the Honor range will take dual SIMs. On the top of the device, we've got the secondary mic along with the infrared blaster. So for instance, if you wanted to change channels or control the air conditioning just from your phone. On the right side of the device, we've got the volume buttons along with the power button. And on the bottom, we've got the 3.5mm jack still, along with USB Type-C mic, and then our speaker. But the back of the device is where it's very, very key. So on the back of the device, we've got a very clever AI cameras. So one being a 24 megapixel lens, and the secondary one being a 16 megapixel. And we've also got this amazing blue finish. So the new colors coming for the Honor 10 is this new Phantom Blue that we're showing you here, along with Glacier Grey. So with the Honor 10, we've got this new Aurora glass design, where in different angles you actually get different colors now. So if you can see on your screen at the moment, you can see the lines going down, so that's the Aurora effect. But when I tilt it to a wider angle, like so, you should be seeing more of a purple tint to it, and this is what makes our new blue so mysterious, hence we're calling it Phantom Blue. So with the Honor 10, we've got this incredible 5.84-inch display. As you can see, it's very, very wide, and it's got an aspect ratio of 19:9. So with our new display, it's very, very clever, and what we've actually done is we've fit in a big screen into the body that was previously the Honor 9. So this time around, we've actually got a 5.84-inch display, where the Honor 9 only had 5.15 inches. But the other cool features with the notch itself, again, is very small, and it's featuring a lot of different notifications. But what we can also do in settings is actually change the display itself. So we go to display and then we go to notch, we can actually choose to hide it, like so. Whereas I prefer to have the default with it on. So with the Honor 10, we've got a very thin body along with the biggest battery in the market. So what we've got here is actually a 7.7mm thin body, but inside we've actually got a 3,400 milliamp battery, which is very big. That will easily last someone a whole day. And with that, we've also got our supercharged technology. So you can actually get up to 50% charge in just 25 minutes. And another key aspect with the Honor 10 is that with such a big display, it's very easy to hold, even with my hands, as you can see. So that's all about the design of the Honor 10. But the other really clever part is the fact that the Honor 10 is your new AI companion. So with the way we've actually designed our phones is that we're actually integrating now software AI along with hardware AI, which is all done via the chipset. And with our chipset, it's got its own integrated NPU, so neural processing unit. So with that, that's how we're doing all our very clever artificial intelligence in terms of photography. So as I said before, the camera on the Honor 10 is very clever, hence we've marked it with AI camera. So on the back, we've got our dual rear cameras, with one being 24 megapixels along with 16 megapixels. And on the front, we've got a 24 megapixel shooter. So some of the key specs with the rear camera is that the 24 megapixel camera itself is actually the monochrome lens, which is again very fast in focus with a large f1.8 aperture and a 6-piece lens. And the second camera there is the color sensor, so the RGB camera, where again we've got a very fast focus and it's got the same aperture at f1.8. So some of the key strengths with the MPU itself is in regards to image processing. So with the Honor 10 itself, the graphics performance is increased by 20%, energy efficiency again goes up by 50%, and this is all via a very clever and innovative ISP that we're using. And the way the Honor 10 works in terms of camera with the dual lenses on the back is that it actually recognises multiple subjects and apply localized optimizations in one lens. So what this means is if you've got a picture where you've got, for instance, the sky, plants, a person, and maybe a surface or a body of water in one picture, the Honor 10 actually recognizes the different components within the image itself to then highlight the details of all the different aspects. So your skies will look nice and blue, a clearer reflection off the surface of the water, the plants will look greener, and again, the colors will pop and be sharper for the person in the picture itself. So very clever use of the Honor 10's processor. But what we've also improved on with the Honor 10 is portrait mode itself. So with portrait mode itself, you're actually taking pictures with the bokeh effect, again making the pictures look real and the skin looks more natural and achieving amazing black and white effects without retouching. But other key features is that we've also got AI zoom as well. So for instance, if you're at the back of a classroom and you're trying to take a picture of the blackboard, we're using AI to actually sharpen up the writing that you're taking a picture of. So the front-facing camera itself is f2.0 and it's a 5-element lens. But again, we've actually improved the way the portrait lighting works on the Honor 10, which I want to show you. So the way the portrait works on the Honor 10 is actually you've got pixel level 3D face detection. So what it means afterwards is actually we can create some really cool effects with portrait lighting. So with that, we can actually do soft light, side light, and theatre light effects all through the Honor 10's front-facing camera. And it's actually live, as you can see, where we can actually move the light around on your picture after you've taken a selfie. And again, we actually use the AI feature within the Honor 10 to actually improve the way group selfies work as well. So again, when you're taking the picture, you can get this beautiful bokeh effect even with a group. And some of the other key features that we've built into the Honor 10 is that again, we're incorporating a super fast face unlock feature. But this time around, we've actually got it working for 360 degrees like so. So if I just turn the phone upside down, and here we go, unlock straight away. But another key feature that we've added to the Honor 10 itself is actually using the camera to identify objects to buy. So for instance, if I load up the camera, we've actually got the option right here where it's an eye. So with this, you can actually use it to scan a QR code, or you can actually use it for shopping, where I'll identify different items and take you directly to Amazon, for instance, where you can go to purchase the same thing as your friend. And another key feature that we've added onto the Honor 10 is that we've got intelligent multimedia album. So when you go to the gallery itself and go to Discover, you can actually categorize pictures via location and even people. And also the discovery mode itself with highlights has improved as well with the Honor 10. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave us your comments and subscribe. For the brave.